In this video, I will show you, explain you about the unselect button, reset selected style button, and reset all styles button. First, the unselect button is used when you want to unselect any selected element like this. This is selected element, and if you want to unselect it, then click this unselect button. It is now unselected. It, it won't be affected again after you click the unselect button. The reset selected style button is used when you want to reset the selected element. See, it will be set to the default if I click this button. Okay. If you want to reset all styles, apply it to the phone, then you can use this reset all styles.